Welcome to all. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 8, decimals. Decimals will come from fraction only. In the previous class we have learned fraction. In this one we will learn decimal. See, understanding decimal. In this one it is showing some pictures. So we have to find each statue is represented by one bar. We can shade 5 of them to represent children. So it is like this. After that, we can write, see, each statue, it means in this one, 5 are children and 5 are ladies. So we have to find the children. How many are there children? 5. So 5 out of 10 statues are of children. Now the same 5 upon 10 we will write in decimal form. So decimal form we will write like this 0.5. How this will come? This we can do it as division also. And here the digit to the right of the point conveys that it is less than one whole. So when the digit will go to right side, it means it is less than one whole. So it will be 1 upon 10th part. Next will come 1 upon 100th part, like this. So that after whole number in right side we can read as 1/10. Okay. Next. So these are the examples are given. You can go through the example. Now the next one is decimals greater than 1. It means all the decimals is greater than 1. It is not less than 1. See, in this one, these are the 10 part and all the 10 parts are shaded. So we can write like this, 10 upon 10 means one whole. In this one, total 10 part and 6 parts are shaded. So we can write like this, 6 upon 10. And when we add this both 1 and 6 by 10, we can write like this, 1.6, 1 and 6. Next, part of a decimal number. How to write this part? How to divide? See, before decimal, we can see that is whole number. Decimal, and after this we can say it is decimal part. It means less than one whole. Clear? Next, exercise 8a. In this one, give the decimal for the shaded part. In this one, this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And in this one, 1, 2 and 3. So how this we will write? We can write like this, 2.3. In this one, this is 1 and this is 1 upon 10. So how we can write? 1.1. Okay, and this one as it is we can write in decimal. So there we can write it is 5 upon 10. We can write as 0.5. See the next one, 1 upon 10 we can write 0.1. 1 upon, then we can write 2 upon 10, 0.2. Then 3 upon 10, 0.3. Like this we can write. Same here, this is whole part we can write separately, and This fraction part we can write as decimal. So here we can write 1.2. This we can write 1.3 like this. We can write all like this. After this, write the decimals in word. See 0.6. How to write 0.6? We can write like this 6/10 or 0.6. Then 0.2 2/10 or 0.2. Like this we can write. Next, complete the pattern. 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, then we can write 2.4, then 2.5, then 2.6. Here 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, then 5, then 5.1. Like this we can write. Next we will see hundredth. What is hundred? Hundredth means 1/100. See, when 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal parts, it means that one whole is now put into 100 equal parts. It is known as hundredth. Means 1/100. This is one whole, this is tenth, and this is 100. It means 100 parts. Same here, fraction. 100 part we can write 1/100, and in decimal we can write 0.01. Why 01? Because this 0 represent 10th part, and 10th part is not there, so we can write as 0 only. Clear? So like this we can write as a words also. Next exercise 8b. Question number 1. Shade in two ways to show the same decimal. One is done for you. See the first one, 0.29. 29 means this 2 is 10th part and 9 is 100th part. So this is like this, and this 9 represent this one. So we can write like this 0.29. Okay. And in 100 directly we can do it like this 10, 20 and 9. 0.85. So 85 means that 8 is the 10. So we can color it 8 part. And here we can color it only 5 part. Okay. So here 85. 85 means this 10, this 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and this 80. 85 parts we can color it. Express using decimal. So here it is 100, and 100 means this we can write 3 part only color. So 3/100. So 3/100 how we will write? 0.03. See the B part. B part means this all 100 is shaded. So here we can write now 1. And in this 1, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/100. So how this question we will write? 1.08. Okay. Next, question number 3. Write the decimals in word. 0.06. How we will write? 6/100th. 0.11. So 11/100th. 1.02 or 1 and. In decimal we can write and also. 200th. Like this we can write. Question number 4. Complete the pattern. 0.09, 0.010 and 10 we don't have to read like this. We can write 0.10. Then 0.11, 0.12, 0.13. Then 0.14, 0.14, then 0.15. Okay, 1.38, 1.39, 1.40, 1.41, 1.42, like this. And here 0.95, 0.96, 0.97, then 0.98 and 99, then 1, then 1.01. Like this we can write. Next, question number 5. Write as decimal. Use the place value chart to help you. 7/10, 10th means after decimal. Okay, so we can write here 6700. 6700 means 6 and 7. So this we can write like this, 0.67. Next is 1 and 5, 10th. This one 1 and 5. 2 and 100. How to write 2 and 100? 2 and 100. So 2 is the ones place and 100 we will write here. So how this portion we will write? 2.08. Like this we can write. Okay. Next, converting fractions to decimal. How to convert fraction to decimal? See, fraction with denominator 10 and 100. 10 means the 10th part and 100 means 100th part. 3 upon 10 we can write 0.3. 24 upon 10 we can divide C. 24 it means upon 10. 24 it means 20 and 4 part. So 20, the 2 will come in whole number and 4 will come after decimal. 153. See, in this one more logic is there. We can compare with 0 and this last number. See, 0 and last number only 4. So, in place of 0, we can write 4 and this 1 represent as decimal. Look at here, 153 upon 10, like this. Okay, so we can compare this. We can write 3. Then here is 1, it means now we can put decimal and then write 5 and 1, 15.3. Like this we can write, and here is the mixed one. So this whole number will come before decimal only. Next, converting decimals to fraction. How to convert? 0.7, it means remove decimal, only one number is there after decimal, it means 7 upon 10. In this one, remove decimal, two numbers are there, 12 upon 100, like this. Last exercise, exercise 8C. Express as a decimal 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10. We have to write in decimal. See, just now I told 8 upon 10. So this 0 and 8 can match. So here we can write 8. And this 1 represent decimal. So we can write the answer 0.8. Next is 93. How this 93 we will write? This 0 and this 3, 3. Then this 1, it means decimal. Then we can write 9. Then 72. How to write 72? 72 upon 100. This 2, this 7 and this 1 will come. Now decimal and 1. So 0.72. Next is 137 upon 100. 7, 3 and this 1 means decimal. And answer will come 1.37. See that fraction question, that mixed question 1, how this mixed question we can see, this mixed question 1 how we can solve. Which one? 7. 7 1 by 10. So we can write 7.1. 3 9 by 10. We can write 3.9. Like this we can write. See, one more question. 7 16 upon 100. 7.6 and this 1 7.16. So these are the solution of question number 1. Now question number 2, express as a fraction. See, remove decimal, it means 10 will come. So 4 upon 10. Remove decimal, 100 will come. Why? Because two numbers are there. 6 upon 100. Remove decimal, 17 upon 100. Why? Because two numbers are there. Like this we can do. In this one, express as a fraction as well as a decimal, one is done for you. In this one, this is the scale, and the scale it is 1 meter, and 1 meter this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, so the distance is of knife is 7 upon 10. Okay, because it is in the meter, so meter means upon 10. 7 upon 10 we can write 0.7. In this one, this answer is, this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4 and 4, so 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so 4.5 centimeter. Like, let's see recap. In this chapter, we have learned understanding decimals, hundredth, tenth, converting fractions to decimals, converting decimals to fraction. Now, for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box, and every scholar should complete your notebook on time. Thank you. Goodbye.